everybody. Today I've got one new Paw Patrol. You see how I've got Tracker, Rubble, and Everson last week. This time I'm going to unbox this one. It's going to be a new Paw Patrol pup. Let's get opening. I'm so excited to see. Now, let's figure out how to cut this thing. I need to cut inside the box to get the Paw Patrol. Click! Whoa, I got Marshall! Let's open the bag so we can take a closer look. That's Marshall's back body. Yay, we opened the bag. Now let's go and see Marshall. Yay, we got Marshall now. It looks so adorable. Let's cut off this thing on his ear. Now pull it out from that side. Let's see what his card says. Paw Patrol. He's on a roll. Oh, and he's a little TY. Oh, now we've got Marshall, which is our new puppy. And we've got Tracker, which is our other new puppies. And these other two. Bye, everybody. I'll see you on my next unboxing Paw Patrol toy.